welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to cut my hair on camera. This is my hair right now and I'm not going to do anything drastic or anything. I'm just gonna trim my layers and my bangs. So just keep watching. I have been kind of growing my hair for like 2 years now, and beach I cut them myself. Firstly because of the lockdown obviously, but now since the lockdown has opened and everything, I still am not going to a salon because I don't trust them. It's not their fault, it's just that they mostly every time cut my hair shorter than I ask them to. I've always been cutting my bangs since I was a little child, but full-fledged haircut जो है वो मैंने last year सीखा था because of lockdown. I learned it on a few tutorials from YouTube. To be honest with you, I love having long hair. Like, this is the longest that my hair has ever been, so I really like them. I also like short hair. This short, that's also like one of my favorite lengths. What I don't like is medium length hair. That is anything from here till here. It's not me. It doesn't, impress me on my hair. I'm not talking about other people. So I want to keep them long. If I'm ever gonna cut my hair, I'm gonna go like really short, but I'm not gonna do that today. So you know what, since it's like very unlikely for me to cut my hair, if my channel hits 500k, whenever my channel hits 500k, I'll cut my hair short. Like, I'll chop them off. That's such a risky promise that I'm making. I hope nobody remembers this because I don't know, I think that's gonna take a really long time. Okay guys, let's just start now. Okay, watch me whip. Watch me cut my hair right about now. Okay, so I'm gonna start with cutting my layers. I have 4 layers. The first is the bottom one, this one, then this second layer, then this third layer, and finally the crown. I'll cut them one by one. First I'll get all my hair down in a front ponytail like this. I have to make sure that it's even from all sides because this is the first layer and I don't want to cut it weirdly. Okay, this is kind of very risky since I am not an expert. If something goes wrong, I'm never uploading this video. So let's go. So ये सबसे नीचे वाली layer है. As you can see, it's kind of like uneven. So I always cut my hair when they're dry because if I cut wet hair, I cut shorter than I expect. I'm going to cut off an inch, this much. Okay, also never cut like this. I'm not gonna cut like this. I'm gonna cut vertically. You can always cut more, so always try to start with less. I'm so nervous. See, I told you it's not that easy. I don't know why when I decided to like vlog this. I'm almost there. As you can see, I'm done with the first layer. It looks nice and like freshly cut and everything. Okay, the next layer that I'm gonna take is from my temples. This, I don't have a tooth comb, whatever, so I'm taking this makeup brush and just checking. So this is my bottom layer. We don't need that now, so I'm gonna secure it with a scrunchie. Now what we have is the second layer and we're gonna repeat the same thing with this. I am gonna repeat the same thing with this, not we, I. So this is my second layer, and since it doesn't really contribute to the length of my hair, so I can cut it a bit deeper, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna trim it this much. I am so tired. It's still not equal, so let's keep going. Oh my god, okay. So the next layer is gonna start from where my eyebrows are, like from here. Okay. Guys, be honest, does this length look good on me? I'm just asking a question. Ta-da! We are almost there. Now the last one is kind of tricky. It's just the crown section. It's like really thin and everything. My hair is just naturally thin, so what you gonna do? Okay, so I've trimmed all my layers. Although I feel I may have cut a little shorter than I wanted to. Because of nervousness or whatever. I got this much hair. Ew, gross. The next part, guys, is the most difficult. I'm gonna have to cut my bangs also. As you can see, they are grown in a very weird way. I'm really nervous about them because I don't want to cut thick bangs right now. I just want fringes, and I'm really bad at doing fringes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try. Okay, so this is my bangs area. Like, this is my bangs line. And these are like my side frames. Okay, so I'll start with this part. My bangs are like quite, swept to this side, so whatever you do, they're always gonna end up like this side. I'm gonna try and keep them in center. I just feel like I might not post this video because what even am I doing? Okay, shh. I'm not gonna go shorter now. I'm just gonna do something with these. So I kind of have to cut it, and I'm pretty bad at it, so now इस साइड में मैं क्या करूँ? Okay. Okay. No. Okay. Is this equal? Kinda. Okay, what? Also, I want my center to be a little shorter, so I'm gonna cut it a bit shorter. I know I said I won't, but I don't care. Actually, I care because I don't want to look like a fool. Okay. Now these, I'm gonna cut them the same way I cut the other frames. Okay, why is it longer? Okay, is this what I want? Is this what I need? So I'll have to trim them a bit more. Let me style them so that I can see what I have done. Honestly,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
okay, so I wet my bangs. I didn't cut them shorter because then I would have regretted. Now they can grow longer quickly and I can fix them next time.
No matter how close I see, the colors fade away. Words are flowing out. Yeah, I'm blinded by your smile in an endless night, on an empty space. I still gaze you there. So let the light shine on me.
So that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to do with my hair, because if I go any further I'm going to butcher it. I know. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like on the video and comment below if you liked my new hairstyle or not. It's not new, it's old, but you know, whatever. I really enjoyed making this video, and even if my haircut is not perfect, I like it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Also, let me know, do you like bangs on me or not? Because I love bangs. And of course, if you feel like, then subscribe to my channel. That would be so great. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.